In Ghana, the pineapple industry is one of the most developed horticultural sectors. Pineapple is a non-traditional export crop grown mainly within the southern belt of the Greater Accra, Central, Eastern, and Volta regions. Even though the Ghanaian agricultural sector is smallholder-based, the main private pineapple exporters are large-scale plantations that also offer contract farming to smallholders in outgrower schemes. In Ghana, 3 main varieties of pineapple are cultivated: the local sugarloaf, smooth cayenne, and the more export-friendly MD2. Ghana's pineapple production is estimated between 120,000 tons to 150,000 tons annually. It is the second largest African pineapple exporter to Europe after Côte d'Ivoire, exporting almost 63% of total produce to the EU alone. The export pineapple industry did provide benefits for a significant number of smallholders in the south of Ghana between 1983 and 2005. Yet since the introduction of a new variety, a lot of smallholders have been excluded from the export pineapple value chain due to a higher cost of production overall for this foreign variety. Smooth cayenne, which is relatively easier to grow, has suffered due to a lack of local secondary manufacturing to buy fruit directly from farmers.
Yes, MD2 now, since you are not buying, or your number edition. And see, your manager for a bear, you're that you'll be able to make sugar loaf, another smooth cayenne now, or bob wine. You will need sugar loaf in numbers on no one shut and yet into the MD2, and to see a bay man. You go to my baby, I hear MD2 Kakray. Yet the number I be in baby, no, me a baby bin on the book sugar loop, another smooth canyons.
Yes, you must 6 years in me. Now, I believe Juman Banner has to tell me a drink a cra. Juman Banner so Yamiadum, the Demonka cranka, able do them pempendry. We say you'll be no Utumba Boyana. You go to me there, you pay no to my head, I cost me a tomb. I share your mamma school, Nadi. Say, dear, your best there, I buy more boy company. Now your company be a yes, your boy and what day. Ye, Juman pa, the best rabbi on Bob Boyan, named to me a day. A Juman on Brainska, Yeska, Bossia from Ryan, nay, Juman to Mokoya, yes, dear, yes, Sabi, ye biddy. The One District, One Factory initiative under the able leadership of His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo seeks to address this problem.
There can be no future prosperity for our people in the short, medium, or long term if we continue to maintain economic structures that are dependent on the production and export of raw materials. We must add value to these resources, and we must industrialize.
With a massive industrialization campaign, equipping and empowering communities to utilize their local resources as raw material for adding secondary value through manufacturing high-demand products which have both local and international value. The 1D1F program, as it's become so well known, will seek to generate between 7,000 to 15,000 jobs per district by 2021. Ekumfi, a district about half an hour's drive from the capital Accra and within Ghana's central region, was earmarked for the takeoff of the 1D1F program with the establishment of the Ekumfi Fruits and Juices Company, a pineapple producing factory, in August of 2017.
Ekumfi Fruits and Juices Limited is setting up a factory, in fact, a fruit juice processing factory. Mainly we'll be using pineapple. At Ekumfi and Abin, it is part of One District, One Factory initiatives. The project began the very day the President commissioned the One District, One Factory program. And then we had from August to the close of 2018 to set up this processing factory. We needed our pineapples that from beginning to harvest will take, the minimum time will be 12 months. And then we had a factory building that we projected to have within 6 months. And then machines also from design through setting up, shipping down, and then fixing. Also roughly 6-7 months. So from the August, what we have done was to begin our pineapple so that we can have a very strong raw material base. And so far this year, per our projection, we're to start our civil works in February. So in February, the contractor moved to site, and so far everything is going on very well. What we have done now is to have outgrowers who are doing roughly 300 acres as we speak, and then we keep expanding. These are outgrower groups that we have from the communities in Ekumfi. We have Ekumfi, Abor, where we are now. There's another site for Abor on the other side. We have Ekumfi Nanabin, Ekumfi Eisam, Ekumfi Etom, Ekumfi Nakwa, and then even the Nanabin where we have the factory. So we have a collaboration with them. What we are doing for the outgrowers is to first of all, because we are piloting, we have done a certain selection. They have brought some of their members, and then we have come to acquire lands. So we acquired the land for them, and we are doing the land clearing, we are doing training, we are supplying them all the inputs, the mulch, the chemicals, the suckers, everything. Okay, and then putting them here, so we're giving them stipends. So even before the factory comes up, we give them stipends so that they work here. We are doing this so that we can keep an eye on what they are doing and be sure that we're going to have what we require, both in quantity and in the quality that we need.
One day to factory ban, Edmana started here, Edmana and my impo, and so Busumbiasa or my workers allowance. Since I am Nante Crampo and Befu, a Fumla Eban Cromama here. Trucks, motor trucks are headed for workers number. Omano Mufili Bibia, Cisia working gear, no warranty boot, gross, Bibia using maybe a company noise and what the blame. First, no cry, Ankasa individual, I didn't get a cry, crying in Yatofu. To do maybe cry, yes, can go to your school fees. Ned, the Safa to your bomb pass if you are Bayuki. Ned Mons, your chassis, sitting up in the phone, air boy and inti. I'm your chassis, you had no about the CBS economy, your energy. They are bumping for about a member in each other. No more to my phone, one trim Casama every year. You admire.
Mrs. Gifty Ohene Konedu, Minister of State in charge of 1D1F, said at the project's inauguration that the pineapple processing factory would engage more than 5,000 outgrowers, and government would support these farmers with subsidized fertilizer and equipment.
We have funding from Exim Bank to do this project, and all of this is factored in. So what we are doing is to give them stipend, which has been factored into our cost. Invariably, what is going to happen is that we are going to get a control over the price of the pineapple that comes to our processor, so that we can project properly.
We ejuma omampenyi Ekufuado ado showboy odiaba na normally no na obimo omadwe ya say ebia agubi no di, but I'm saying emphatically say eya agro oya dia eya rare. As I'm speaking now, obimo kwa po engine to me say one district one factory no omo ye, but enkabe me say could be able to the car na wa ba abro na wa bo hwe say na ye no na kwa na ye no kwa we politics ni yeah, Germany na politics in him. Say, I can politics there. Mimi fi baby, na me baby, na me do baby. So, me na, since I don't be here. By the end of the year, no, man, topic up, I just say, me and my bomb.
With already high prospects for the future, the 1D1F program is forging ahead to bring rewards of industrialization and gains in agricultural and manufacturing output to the Ghanaian economy, and is taking us one step closer to the future vision of a Ghana beyond aid.